a part of this amazing community.
Yeah, true. Our school is like our second home. It's the place where we've learned, we've grown, and made unforgettable memories. It's the place where our teachers have guided us, supported us, and have helped us to become our best selves.
So today we gather to celebrate a dream, a foundation laid, a vision to be. Our school journey began with a single step, and now we are here with memories to keep.
By the day forenoon,
والليل إذا سجى
by the night when it darkens,
ما ودعك ربك وما قلى
your Lord has neither forsaken you nor hates you.
وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى
And indeed the hereafter is better for you than the present.
SubhanAllah, that was so beautiful. And can I just say, our reciter's voice is like a warm hug for your soul. True. Samra, yesterday I read in the book, in Islam it's believed that listening to the Quran has a profound impact on a person's life, bringing peace, spiritual nourishment, and guidance. Even though if one does not understand the Arabic language, it's believed that the rhythm and the sound of Quran believed to have a profound impact on a person's heart and soul.
Yeah, we just saw that. किसने चमकता दिन बख्शा है, रात सुहानी किसने दी, नन्हे मुन्ने पौधों को गुलशन में जवानी किसने दी, यकता कुदरत भी यकता, यकता है मेरा अल्लाह, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह.
Thank you so much, Amar, for your eye-catching performance. Your voice was so soothing.
हम नाजुक नाजुक दिल वाले रोज स्कूल को आते हैं,
जो काम न दे उस टीचर को फेवरेट भी बतलाते हैं,
कभी पानी के बहाने बाहर घूम के भी आते हैं.
कभी टीचर के न आने की दुआएं भी खूब मांगते हैं.
Well, school is often seen as a place of fun and social activities, which is a significant part of this experience. But beneath all this, school plays a vital role in shaping our lives, teaching us essential manners and fosters respect for others, and well, many more things.
That's true. Even if we all find study boring sometimes, but if someone mentions slightly bad something about my school, my blood starts to boil. I start blurting out the most frightful things about my school. Is it only me, or do you guys feel the same?
Well, Hanisa, we all have that little spark of pride burning in our heart. And now, it wouldn't hurt to hear a bit more of it.
Of course, it wouldn't. Why are you asking though?
Well, because today we have a special guest, Midhat from class 6 Samsar, here to present you the beautiful poem, My School, My Pride. So, let's give her a warm welcome.
We laugh, we cry, we play, we study. With our best buddy. My school, my pride. Respect elders, obey parents. Sincere and punctual.
चाहिए जो जिंदगी बदल दे ऐसा स्कूल चाहिए. मेरा नाम उमामा है और मैं दूसरी जमात पर पढ़ती हूँ और मैं आज आपके सामने एक प्यारी सी नज़म पेश करना चाहती हूँ. हमें स्कूल चाहिए जो जिंदगी बदल दे ऐसा स्कूल चाहिए.
मगरिब नमाज बड़ी शाम छुट्टी करान और चीज वातान 8:30 7:30 8:30 अख वर रोज यह सिलसिल बहरहाल पैराटाइज मजदूर इमान बेर दिमाग में दीद मज थकमित मगर वो तो सही बात है थकान तम साथ.
session that we have got. So, kindly brief us about the idea behind the foundation of the school.
The idea was not conceived just with any planning, proper planning. I think those were the days we were in Jammu. So I was working there in the civil secretariat. So my son was just 3 years old, so I thought to get him admitted somewhere in the police school. So I visited, there was one of the schools, namely Magic School. That was a good chain of schools in Jammu. It was an elite chain. So when I went there, it was in a higher building. So I went there, it was having a big name. But inside there were 2 rooms. There were around, I think, 30-40 chairs and those bean-shaped tables. So I was, first of all, I had opinion of a school that it would be, costing too much for the people. When I went there, I just inquired from that ma'am, so how you run and who is the owner? She said, I'm just an employee, so it is not a big deal. You just start a school with some chairs and some tables. So I thought it is just a piece of cake. So I had to bring some chairs, I had to bring some tables.
बिल्कुल रया लेडी शासन लोगन वक्त वक्त मजाकिया कलाम बोलने खुश मामले शऊरी कोशिश करा
इतना चला आज ये व्यक्त करो इस खास दिनन बाबत लड़ी शासन आक आइटम पेश
बिल्कुल रया ये ना अस्त दिल कर इन बाबत मुदावत बिल्कुल जमत
अस्सलाम अलैकुम थदीतो जान बरसा बुझतो स्कूलिश पहचान Naučus pīstu, kam čas jān, Boresam būzītav saskulis pehķān, Dūsās ārķis jētas šaukāt, Šārik savietajim izjēdīvots kā.
Turkey School, yes maqamas पर वारनामत में founding members वसादन कि ये स्कूल गैर तदरीसी अमल खास तौर पर
Nasala अस्सी मुस्लिम की जमात से इस तौलिबा ज़ारा रफ़ीक़ दावत करो ये इतनी निसानिश कोशिश कि ये स्कूल तरबियत कर बस उस किरदार से स्कूल इंतज़ाम की हद में हो.
We gather here to celebrate a journey that began with a vision, a dream that transformed into reality. Our school's foundation is built on the principles of knowledge, wisdom, and compassion, and it continues to thrive under the guidance of our beloved founder, who is present with us today.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Have a seat. जी बोलिए कैसे आना हुआ?
जी मुझे अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन करवाना था.
कोई बात नहीं, आप ये प्रॉस्पेक्टस देख लीजिए.
चलिए मैं आपको फोन कर बताऊँ.
इस तरह से अख्तर साहब ने मुख्तलिफ स्कूलों का मुआयना किया, मगर करिकुलम देखकर निराश होकर अख्तर साहब वापस अपने घर को लौट गए.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
आयशा जी मेरी मेजबानी का गिलास चाहिए.
रुकिए.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम अशरफ साहब.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम शौकत साहब.
सुना है आपने भी स्कूल ज्वाइन किया है?
जी सर, चलिए सर से मिलकर आते.
सर मैं कम इन?
Yes please.
School is a place where I have discovered a work environment that truly nurtures a sense of community. It is
heartening to see how everyone, from management to teachers and students, work together with mutual respect and support. This supportive atmosphere has made a significant difference in my daily experience and overall well-being.
Noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher,
Wow, sukuktu wastad doshwai kırgın. Wow, sukuktu wastad doshwai kırgın. Wow, fulravan gulan tu wastad busnavan dilan. Merhaba ya. Seriş, acha zaman me akçı. Sıçıya bayzi, ibatuk ruhtuma kaçmanam.
so many years, please brief us about your working experience here. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, as I remember that it was March 2014 when I joined this family. I'm not saying this as a school administration, but as a family. So, before this, I have worked in 2-3 schools with the managements there.
मैं आता हूँ, मगर सबसे पहले कैसे उस्ताद पे मैं आता हूँ कि जिससे हमने शुरुआत की थी, 2 इंसानों से शुरुआत की थी, लेकिन ये पहले थे और इनफैक्ट ये पहले वो थे जिन पे मैंने भरोसा किया कि इसको बुलाया मैंने. लेकिन कमिंग टू द पोएट्री स्कूल में कहने की बात ये थी, वी हैड गॉट नाइस टीम एंड फर्स्ट टाइम इट वाज 2012 आई थिंक और 13 वी ब्रॉट इन लेडीज और लेडीज को अलग कर दिया नीचे, सिर्फ वो एलपीडी को पढ़ाती थी. उससे पहले सिर्फ जेंट्स पढ़ाते थे. 2008, 9, 10, 11 आई थिंक इन 12 वी स्टार्टेड विद लेडीज. बट ऑन द ऑनसेट ladies team, they have been also wonderful co-workers with us. Give a big hand to them as well.
अच्छा मन घेती बिहुन
सहरिश में बासा चले जी वाचे
दिल मौजू था
दिल को बेहतर सामाईन इसकी इजाजत हो यह वादा से इंशाअल्लाह करो बेकुछ साथ बेई से मुलाकात
गस खदा पूजिन मलूसिन तुम भी किस्मतुक आफताब गस खदा पूजिन मलूसिन तुम भी किस्मतुक आफताब जिंदगी हस आख आख तबस्सुम